Premiums have risen anywhere from 10 to 48% in the last year and a half. The majority of these increases are partly to do with the insurance company's increases, but in addition to the reinspection and the change of the mitigation discounts that are associated with the home insurance policies. If you've never had a report completed, please call our office at 954-580-2378. We'll be happy to provide you a few names and phone numbers of some local companies that can complete the report. Once again, the phone number is 954-580-2378. Thank you very much.